Paano kung may ERIP or Early Retirement Incentive Package si employer or company? Answer, good news po ito, friends. Kasi ang ERIP or Early Retirement Incentive Package ay win-win scenario po ito sa mga employee na gusto na mag-retire early. Sumabayaran po yung number of services nila sa company or employer at may pabaon pa sila if mag-retire sila before 60 years old. Yes, friends. Kasi po, ang ibig sabihin ng ERIP or Early Retirement Incentive Package is most likely less than 60 years old ang employee. It could be 50 years old to 59 years old ang maka-avail ng ERIP or Early Retirement Incentive Package. Actually, iba-iba po ang company or employer na may ERIP kasi meron silang magic numbers. So ano po yan? 65 for example, 50 years old ang employee and 15 years in service. So 50 plus 16, 65. Ayan po. Honestly, hindi po lahat ng employer or company na nag-offer ng ERIP. Bakit? Kasi it needs funds. Medyo malaki kasi ang mabayaran o ma-receive ng mga employees. Kasi ang computation po niyan is normally monthly basic salary ng employee times 100% for example, times number of years in service. Sometimes ang offer ng company is 150%. So simply multiply yung monthly basic salary ng employee times 150% times number of years in service. Yan po ang computation ng ERIP. Alright? Employees na gusto na mag-retire early, ay ito po yung option nila. Anyway, ang pension ninyo is at age 60 pa po mag-start. At least may pabaon yung employee kung gusto na mag-retire at age 50, mag-business na lang po siya, mag-invest while waiting sa pension niya at age 60. So good luck, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.